Rory, I've just spoken to Ann Hanson, the external consultant, and it seems that she can't make it to Thursday's planning meeting. I can't do Friday because we've got a safety inspection at the new manufacturing facility, and that can be changed. So we'll have to postpone until next week. Oh dear, I'd better contact the people from Elgar Plastics then, and find out their availability for next week. I'll email them explaining the problem. No, I'd prefer you to call them. They're not going to be very happy about this, and on the phone, you'll be able to explain the situation better in an email message. Sometimes it's better to contact clients by phone. Okay, but I'll also email our team to announce the postponement.